Hi, my name is Brian Romano. I'm the Director of Technology Development at Arthur G. Russell Company in Bristol, Connecticut. So Arthur G. Russell is a 76-year-old company founded in the 1940s. We have a lot of specialties, but our primary specialty is to build and design and build custom assembly machinery and packaging machinery. About 80%, roughly speaking, of our customers are medical device manufacturers, but with the acquisition of a company back in the early 2000s, we actually have a couple of platforms where we can do other types of equipment, like in automotive industries and things like that. We have the ability to use multiple platforms, and what I mean by that is we have continuous motion dials. We have indexing chassis of a few different types. We have servo-driven chassis. We can utilize some of the Rockwell-based chassis, and we do what's necessary for the customer. We don't try to shoehorn the customer into a specific platform. We design what I guess I would consider the elegant solution. The new stuff for us is a continuation of Industry 4.0, but an application of it to be able to provide remote support, data analytics, anomaly detection, and make our customers be able to be a little bit more self-sufficient with a lack of help that's out there today. So from a Rockwell standpoint, I look at it as two aspects. We have the hardware aspect for sure. Very robust hardware, being able to integrate it completely, especially with the safety aspect of things today, but then also the people, being able to contact our people direct, our representatives direct, our distributors, and get responses that are fast and accurate. Huge in what we do.